I know everyone is freaking out right now because Grok just killed free video generation. You went in, typed your prompt, and got hit with a $30 paywall. That wasn't a glitch. That was real. And a lot of creators just stopped when they saw that paywall. But I didn't. I found two ways you can still get this. One is completely free, one is around $2, both working right now. And this is exactly what this channel is about. Finding you the tools that actually work without making you spend a fortune. Every video I make here is going to save you money or make you money. So if that's what you're here for, hit subscribe and turn on the bell so you don't miss the next one. All right, let's get into it. First method, go to Google and just search Google Flow. Comes right up. Now you are in Google Flow. Choose the Gmail you want to work with. Sign in with your Gmail account. Once you land here, click Create with Flow. Click on New Project. Click on Next, scroll down and click on Continue. Look at what's inside here. You've got video tools like VO3 Fast, VO3 Quality, and in image tools, you got Nano Banana 2, Nano Banana Pro, and also Imagen 4. These are all available to you right here inside Google Flow. Now click your profile in the top corner. See those credits? 150 free credits sitting there the moment you sign in with your regular Gmail. No card, no form, nothing, just there. Now I want you to actually look at this for a second, because I think people scroll past this too fast. These 150 credits are not a trial. They don't expire in 7 days. They don't ask for a card to unlock them. Google just gives them to you. And look at what's available with those credits. Image generation, video generation, multiple model options. This is not a stripped down free plan. This is the actual product. 150 credits gets you a real amount of content to work with before you even think about upgrading. So, if you're someone who just wants to test this out first, start here. Use what they gave you. See if the quality works for what you're making. Now, if you want a bigger pool to work with, click Upgrade. You'll see the different plans here. We want the middle one, the Pro plan. 1,000 credits, full access. Click Get Google AI Pro, and then click on Agree. It's going to ask for your card details. Don't worry, they are not charging you right now. Fill everything in step by step. Your name, your address, your credit card details. Then click on Save Card. While this loads, quick thing I want to mention. When you see that confirmation page come up, take a screenshot of it. Just screenshot it on your phone or your desktop. It shows your subscription date and your charge date in one place. Okay, now screenshot this, because this becomes your reminder. You see here the exact date you'd be charged. As long as you cancel before that date, nothing comes out of your account. Put it in a folder, send it to yourself, whatever works for you. The number of people who forget about free trials and get charged is genuinely high, and I don't want that to be you. 3 days before that date, go cancel. I'll show you exactly how in a second. Confirmation page. Yeah, you are subscribed. Now go back to your profile. Look at that. 1,150 credits. You didn't spend a single thing. Now, really important, when the time comes to cancel, here's exactly how you do it so you don't get charged. Go to your profile. Click Manage Membership. This page will show up. Then go to the top and click Change Membership Plan. Then click on Cancel Membership and click on Cancel Plan. That's it. You're out. Put a reminder in your phone 3 days before that charge date. Not the night before, 3 days before. Give yourself time. And look, if you use those 1,000 credits and you genuinely love Google Flow and it's become part of your workflow, keep it. Try it free. Make that decision yourself. That's method one. Free. Working right now. But I know some of you, you don't want an alternative. You want Grok back, exactly as it was. Then method two is for you. And the price is going to surprise you. For method two, you need an X account. That's Twitter. If you don't have one, go make one right now. It takes 2 minutes, and honestly, at this point, it's worth having. Once you're logged in, click your profile, then click Premium in the sidebar. Now, look at these plans. The one we want is the Premium plan. In the first 2 months, this costs between $2 and $5, depending on where you are in the world. After that, it moves to around $10 a month, depending on your location. Then choose your plan and subscribe. Just sit with that for a second. $2 or $5 versus the $30 Grok was asking for yesterday. This plan gives you Grok with enough generations per day for most people making a lot of content with Grok. Now, if you're basically a content machine producing content every single day, there's also the Premium Plus plan at around $20 per month. It gives you Super Grok mode and is built for people running full-scale content operations. But for most of us, start with Premium. Once that's done, come back to your profile. You'll see Open Grok right there. Click it. Here's the important part. It's going to ask you to sign in. Important, do not click Gmail. Click Continue with X. If it's your first time, it'll ask you to give access to your account. So click on Authorize App. And you're in. That's it. Grok is back. And honestly, for our $2 or $5 in the first 2 months, this is one of the best value things you can do right now, if Grok was already part of how you make content. So, two methods, both tested, both working right now. Let me just tell you which one makes sense for where you are, because it actually depends on one thing. If you've never used AI video generation before, start with Google Flow. Zero cost, your Gmail works, and 150 credits is enough to figure out if this is something you want to invest time into. Don't pay for anything until you know you like it. If you were already using Grok before they pulled the free tier, and you know you like it, you know your workflow, you just want it back, X Premium at $2 or $5 is a no-brainer. You're not learning something new. You're just paying $2 to get back what you already had. And if you want to run both at the same time, go for it. Use Google Flow's free credits for testing and experimenting. Use Grok through X for your actual content output. That's actually a smart setup. That's it. Two methods, both tested this week, both working right now. If this helped you, a like on this video genuinely helps this channel grow, especially right now. And subscribe, because I'm going to keep making videos exactly like this. Real tools, real savings, no fluff. Drop a comment below. Tell me which method you're going with, or if something didn't work, ask me, and I'll help. And if you want to keep saving money on AI tools, watch the next video. I'll show you how to get N8N, one of the most powerful AI automation tools out there, for around $7. If you're building any kind of content or automation workflow, that one is going to save you a lot. See you there.